Did you know some falconers spend 7 years bonding with a single hawk, only to let it go forever at the moment they love it most? He started when the bird was young. Every morning before sunrise, he was there, teaching it to trust his arm, teaching it to come back to his call. Slowly, patiently, the way a father teaches a child to walk. People thought the goal was control. It was never control. Watch him now. The hawk circles above the open field, higher than it has ever flown. He raises his arm out of habit, then lowers it, slowly, deliberately. He does not call it back, because this was always the destination. Every early morning, every careful lesson, every quiet hour they shared was never about keeping the hawk close. It was about making it strong enough to leave. That is what real love looks like, not holding on. Building something so whole, so capable, so free, that it no longer needs you, and being at peace with that. Follow Silent Resolve for more anime life lessons.